Now we have got Supraja and she is going to speak upon a wonderful topic. Dreams don't allow you to sleep. Let's see what she says.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Supraja. Today I'm here to explain the topic about dreams don't allow you to sleep. That means when you have big dreams and strong ambitions, you just can't sit and relax. You will have to work hard until you achieve it. And for every day, you will feel like working hard and to work hard for your dreams. And your dreams make you keep you awakened. I want to give one real life example that is entrepreneur Elon Musk. His dream to change the world through electric cars and space travel that made him to work hard for long hours without taking rest, and he constantly thinking about innovation and thinking. He faced many failures and financial difficulties, but he never gave up. Today he is the successful person, and he is the founder of Tesla and is also the founder of SpaceX. So never give up and work hard for your dreams. Thank you.
A young boy of 16-year-old, he started playing cricket. His name was Sachin Tendulkar, and at that point of time, Tendulkar's coach, he had a strategy to make Sachin Tendulkar extraordinary batsman. During that time when Sachin Tendulkar was doing practice, at that point of time, his coach used to keep the coin upon the stump, and he would declare to the bowlers, whoever will bowl him, he will get the coin. And if he is not getting bowled, Sachin Tendulkar will get the coin, and that was the strategy made by the coach. And Sachin Tendulkar was struggling, striving very hard to get that coin. He never used to get out, and that is the only thing which made him the great cricketer. In future, we also know about Sachin Tendulkar. He achieved an incredible milestone by scoring 200 runs in one day cricket, and he was the first batsman to do that. Said, dreams don't allow you to sleep. Sachin Tendulkar was too young and he used to play cricket. He used to skip his lunch also to play cricket. And he used to dedicate most of his time to play cricket. Early morning, he used to wake up by sacrificing his sleep. And that is how he became extraordinary, ultra wonderful batsman in the world cricket.